Since I've got the insulation done, I wanted to wait until I did the spray foam before I started putting up some metal for the ceilings. I was afraid I might have oversprayed on them, something like that. We got that done. Seen that in last week's episode. So we're going to start on the metal today. It's going to be corrugated galvanized metal. That's the same stuff we put on the roof. Did you get it?
Yeah, but I didn't get it all the way at the corner. Does any of y'all have it?
That's good. That's actually perfect. That'll be fine. We can just cut it where it's at. Okay. Let me see it for a second. I'll let you cut it. Just give me a second. Okay, cut the angle. I got faith in you, honey. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Okay. Hey, Mia. Okay, caught my mistake. I ended up covering up my smoke detector box. Caught my mistake. I fixed it off the camera. Me and my son, when we was trying to put them in, if you can bend them, they'll pop. You'll be able to put them in whole pieces. This room ain't real big. It's only like 12.5 feet long, or wide, however you want to look at it. With me and him doing it, we just couldn't bend it. We tried to slide it up and slide it over. That was being a pain in the butt too. So we ended up just splicing it, and we did it halfway. You can see some of the seam a little bit probably. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit more here the next few days. We got that done. He had school the next day, so I did the bathroom, part of the bathroom. I didn't do the utility room or the toilet area, but I did that by myself. Also, I spliced it. You can't see the seam on that one. Then me and my daughter, we did this room. Smoke detector box. I haven't got the smoke detector put in yet. Got it wired up, just not in. I ended up, I'm gonna run a jumper over to the laundry room, just to be on the safe side, since I'm gonna have a gas tankless water heater. Make it a carbon monoxide detector also, just to be a little more on the safer side. Not worried about my family, I'm more worried about me. I don't want to die. Anyways, I got my son's room done, or slash daughters. They're probably going to share a room since she moved back in with us. By the time I get the house done, she'll be probably having her own place by then though. Anyways, got it done. Couldn't do it right over here because I've got to run my gas line, and part of the living room I couldn't insulate it because I'm going to run the gas line through it. As soon as I get that done, get it pressure checked, then I'm going to may go ahead and put the insulation up, and then once it's pressure checked, then I'll put the metal up. That's about it. Really ain't too much else to say about it. It wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. Kind of enjoyed doing that. Alright, y'all have a great day. Stay healthy. God bless. Like, subscribe, share it with anybody that might be interested. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy and enjoy yourself.